Let's friend, I am going to start today example number illustration number 2.8, page number 77. A slab of material of dielectric constant K has the same area as the plate of parallel plate capacitor but has a thickness of 3 by 4D, where D is the separation of the plates. How is the capacitance changed when the slab is inserted between the plates? So friends, here a parallel plate capacitor is given. 2.8 illustration. This is the parallel plate capacitor. This is parallel plate capacitor which is given to you, and the distance between two plates is D. That is given. Okay. Now at initial stage there is vacuum between these plates, so there is nothing, and here electric field during vacuum between two plates is E0. This is electric field E0 when there is nothing between these two plates. So now V0 is equal to E0 into D. So that means it is V0 divided by D E0. You got the value of E0. That is your electric field, and this electric field is during vacuum between these two plates. But now, as here it is E0, but when A 3 by 4, C 3 by 4, D, some kind of medium is inserted, dielectric object is inserted, and here D by 4, this distance. This area is for vacuum. Here E0 and here E dash, because here E dash is the electric field when any dielectric object is inserted into the plate capacitor. Okay, so now the resultant electric field for E dash in the form of E0. E dash को हम E0 के फॉर्म में कैसे लिख सकते हैं? तो E dash upon E0, that means KQ upon R square, here 1 upon C, Q upon 4 pi epsilon R square, and Q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 R square. This is the formula of electric field. So Q, 4 pi, these all things are ones. So you have E dash upon E0 is equal to epsilon 0 upon epsilon. But epsilon upon epsilon 0 is equal to K. So this is the reciprocal. So that means E dash upon E0 is equal to 1 upon K. So that means E dash is equal to E0 upon K. Okay. So this is the electric field when any dielectric object is inserted. Okay, so electric field for this area is E dash and electric field for this area is E0. So now V dash is equal to EC. V dash is equal to EB0D, here E dash D. So V dash is equal to E0 by K D. But here, what is the D? It is 3 by 4D. What is it? It is 3 by 4D. समझ में आयु कि તમારે ડિસ્ટન્સ કેટલું છે 3 by 4D. સેમ એઝ V double dash is equal to here E0 D by 4. V double dash for this area and this area. Now potential difference during the inserted the dielectric object is inserted. So it is potential difference V is equal to V dash plus V double dash. V dash for this area, V double dash for another area. So V dash is equal to 3E0 D by 4K plus it is E0 D by 4. So see, so what is happening over here? 3E0 D upon 4 is common. Now 1 upon K plus 1 upon 1 is there. So it is written in this form. V is equal to 3E0 D upon 4 inside K plus 1 upon K. But you know that V0 is equal to E0 into D. So E0 D 3V0 upon 4 and here K plus 1 upon K. Capacitance, when you have C is equal to Q upon V, you know that. So here C dash is equal to Q0 V0. Charge cannot be changed, but here V is changed. So now you can see here Q0, V means 3V0 in bracket K plus 1 in denominator and 4K will go upside. નીચેનું ઉપર જશે. So that means Q0 upon V0 is equal to C0. So C dash is equal to 4K C0 upon 3K plus 1. So it is written in this form 4K upon 3 in bracket K plus 1. So the new result of capacitance when you insert any dielectric object into the parallel plate capacitor. Initially electric field is E0 and due to this E0, potential difference in V0 is equal to V0d. ફોર્મ્યુલા યાદ રાખવા પડે. ફોર્મ્યુલા યાદ હોય તો જ આવડે, નહીં તો ના આવડે. ચલો હવે now when dielectric object is inserted V dash and V double dash. V dash for this area and V double dash the rest area. So total potential difference is V dash plus V double dash. And now you must have memorized this formula, so you can use it over here. You know that E0d is equal to V0. So now put that, and now C dash is equal to Q0 upon V. Because charge cannot be changed, only capacitance and potential difference can be changed. Okay, so you got the new value. Okay, illustration number 3.9 is little bit larger, so it cannot be finished, so we can move in exercise. I think first one is given. Now okay, so exercise 2.2. You are given that a regular hexagon of 10 centimeter has a charge of 5 microcoulomb each vortices. Calculate the potential at the center of the hexagon. See, you are given a regular hexagon. This is regular hexagon, that means it is like this. And in the center, regular, that means that all sides are of 10 centimeter. So R is equal to 10 centimeter. Here Q, 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 Q. Okay, so each Q is of 5 microcoulomb. And 5 microcoulomb, that means 5 into 10 raised to minus 6 coulomb. 10 centimeter, that means 10 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. That means 10 raised to minus 1 meter. It's very easy. And how many charges are there? 6. And distance is already same for each charge. You want to find out the potential at the center. So the distance from the center for each charge is same. So that means your potential V is equal to 6 times KQ upon R. Because we have 6 charges. For each charge, the formula is KQ upon R. So you have to only apply the values. You can calculate yourself. Okay, students, please try yourself. You will do it, you can do it, you must do it. Okay. 2.3 is theoretical. Two charges, 2 microcoulomb and minus 2 microcoulomb are placed at point A and B apart. Identify the equilateral surface of the system and what is the direction of electric field at every point on the surface. See here, beta. 2.3. Here a surface 2 microcoulomb and here minus 2 microcoulomb. So if the distance is same in R1 and R2 are equal, so at the place equipotential surface. This is why, because this is positive and this is negative, so resultant will be 0. Okay, and now electric field positive માંથી બહાર જાય, outside from the positive and goes inside to the negative. So the direction of electric field must be positive to negative. Understand? So the direction of electric field for at any point is positive to negative. This is only theoretical question. 2.5. A parallel plate capacitor with air between the plates has capacitance 8 picofarad. What will be the capacitance? The distance between plate is reduced by half and space between them is filled with the substance of dielectric constant 6. See here beta, this is related to this example. So your distance is reduced. C0 is equal to 8 picofarad. 2.4. C0 is equal to 8 picofarad. 8 into 10 raised to minus 12 farad. This is C0. You are given. But for C0 is equal to epsilon 0 by D. So now again C0 dash, when you reduce D by 2, so 2 will go outside, half. You are asking that you are reducing the space. So 2 epsilon 0 A by D. So it is 2 C0. Okay. Now C0 dash is like this. Again now here you have vacuum between plate capacitor. But when see one more theory I am going to explain over here in short. C0 is equal upon C. What is C? The capacitance when any dielectric constant is inserted. C over here and C0 here. Here for vacuum or dielectric constant. Epsilon A upon D. And here epsilon 0 A upon D. A and D out. Epsilon upon epsilon 0. C upon C0. Epsilon upon epsilon 0 is equal to K. That is dielectric constant. So C is equal to KC0. This is the result. So here C dash 0 is C0 dash is equal to 2 into 6 in 8 into 10 raised to minus 12 farad. And when you are given any dielectric constant inserted into this, so C dash C0 dash is for the situation when the capacitance is the space is reduced. So your result is this. C dash is the capacitance when a dielectric substance is inserted. So C dash is equal to K C0 dash. K is equal to 6 and this one is 8 into 10 raised to, it is 16 into, so 96 into 10 is to minus 12. So that means 96 picofarad. That is your answer. Okay. So do yourself and try yourself. Thank you very much.